Hi. Today I'm going to speak about happiness bank or writing a happiness journal. It could be anything about these small mundane things. Maybe like you went for a walk today, you had a food which you relished it, you heard a song and which made you feel so happy. You met a old friend. Somebody called me by name today, and when I look back, I remember seeing this person very briefly at some places. But that person remembered me and called me by my name, and I felt so happy about that. So small things can make us happy. Doing something which you haven't done for a long time, maybe giving something for repair, spending on your day-to-day expenses, because you have the money to spend. That is very important. You only think about, receiving money, and only receiving money makes us more happy. But if you are spending also, and if you want particular thing, and go and buy it, spending on that can be very valuable, as it is going to make you happy. And if you are happy, you will be able to do much more better task, have better focus, have better mood. Push yourself, don't push others. Surround yourself with people who are there to support you. Do a random act of kindness. Whatever small things has made you happy, write it down. Specifically in the night before you go to sleep, because when you go to sleep with a happy mood, your next day also turns out to be very happy. You are in a better mood and you sleep peacefully. So happiness breeds happiness. Just like how success breeds success. It's not that we never have sadness in our life or we are always going to be happy. Sometimes there will be sad moments also. But seek out more happy moments. Do what you love to do. And acknowledging small things, appreciating others. Acknowledging all small things what you have. Focusing on what you have. Taking responsibility of your own actions. Because it gives you time and energy to find out solution for your issues. So feel happy, and happiness, like they say, begets happiness. Money begets money, happiness begets happiness. So create a happiness journal. Just like in some household, there will be people who will be writing down the account of what all money they spend. So even if you are writing that what all money you have, expenses you have done, be happy that you have money to pay for all those expenses. If you have bought a car with loan, be happy that you have capacity to pay back. If you desire something, go about and buy it thinking that yes, you will create more money for that and you would like to have that. So friends, how we acknowledge other things, acknowledge happiness also in your life. And if that is your goal, in fact, happiness all by itself is also a goal. So if you are happy, you will be able to achieve much more, and you will be able to, do much more things than what you would have done when you are sad or not happy, because that saps your energy. When you are happy, you are more motivated. So seek out more of happiness, and that's only you can do it. Nobody else can do that for you. So create a happiness band and keep putting it inside that. Go through the whole list of happiness during the night, like I said, so that you sleep peacefully in the night with a happy mood, and your next day also turns out to be great. So thank you so much. This is Shyamala Jairam Sharma.